Hello students, we'll see in this video about we have if I want to print this pattern, okay, 4 3 2 1, and after that you can see one is not displaying over here, 4 3 2 and 4 3, and last is 4. Now how this pattern is working, you just see over here two loops are given, that is for loop is used two times, means here the first in this one this loop is used for the forward the loop, it means that this loop will increase and this is used for decrease. So you can see over here it is given 4 3 2 1. So you can see here the first time when it will come, it will enter the loop, some condition is given, I is equals to 1 and I is less than 4 and I plus plus. When it will go to the inside of this, then it will just see here it is given 4 3 2 1. So how it is, first time the J will display 4, and if J is greater than or equal to I means I value is 1. So if it is less than or equal to 4 means less than or equal to 1, then it will J minus means next time it will display 3, like that it will display 2, and it is at last it is display 1. Now it is displaying over there. Now one more thing here, as you can see here, one next time when again this loop will execute, it will going back to the next one, then again it will just show 4, again 3, again 2, but 1. Why not 1? Because here this, as you can see here, this loop, this for loop, the I1, this first loop is used for the forward the condition and it is used for the reverse loop. So this time what happens, next time what happen, I plus plus means it will display the I, now the I value becomes 2, here the I value becomes 2. So here J4, next 3 and then 2, till 2 this loop will work. It is displaying J value, so it is 2. Now third time when this will third time, now the I value, the condition I value will increase 3, means the I is less than, here the condition is matched, J equals to 4, and it will see if J is less than or greater than or equal to I, then I values now is becomes 3. So till 3 it will be display, and and after that it will display in the output screen. Now again it will go back, now the I value becomes 4, because I plus plus, so again it will going to that 4, and 4 is J equals to 4, now J is greater than or equal to I, now the I is equals, it is not less than, but it is equals to I value is 4, so 4 will display at the last. It will not work over here, it will not do minus anything over here, and it will display like this. I hope this video is helpful for you, so thank you.